What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna have a quick video. It's just me installing the K-Member, and since I have the K-Member, I'm installing it to the motor outside of the car. It's a real quick video. The only thing here to mention really is when you're doing your K-Member setup, so I have an AJE K-Member, but just in general, install the motor mounts before you install the headers. At least if you have the BBK swap headers like I do, it really interferes with where like you're trying to get a ratchet or something in there to torque down the motor mounts. So that's the only thing really to recommend. And then this is going to be a real quick video, but thanks for joining me. Thanks for clicking, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share the video. Let's get into it. Let's enjoy.